Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to IK Engineering. In the last lecture, we have learned that how we can create a road element or center line. In this exercise, we will create that how we can create a road element coordinate reports. So, if you didn't watch my previous video, so I share my previous video link. In this video, you can watch the last video, then you can understand clearly. Now, let's get started. So click on alignment creation tool, and here I select a CP name. You can select anyone. Here you can select a type. I select a central line. You can select what is what type of your you want, offset, corner, radius, rail or miscellaneous. So I select a central line. If you have a new road, so the change will be from 0 0, and if you want to change in the old road or old alignment, so the last RD will be mentioned here. So I started a new road, so the change will be 0 0. Here you can select a site. You can give the name. I make a video in very detail about alignment. You can watch that video, then you can understand. So here you can select, you can choose alignment style. If you have offset, layout, intersection, existing, basic, so I have a proposed, then I select proposed. Alignment layer, you can select from here. Okay, click on OK. We have alignment layer C plus road. Now the important thing, alignment level set. You can select here alignment labels. I select all labels and click on OK. A dialog box will open. So here you can choose straight with curves. If you want to sub element editor, click on it. A parameter layout will open. Here is no labels shown, so here I pick on element editor, sub element editor. Now here is asking in the command bar, select a sub element. So for suppose we select a curve. So here you got a curve data. If you want to change a radius, you can change here a radius. For example, I give 100 meter. So you can see that our radius has been changed. Now if you enter, so the labels automatically change also. The same if you want to alignment grid view, so you can open here and you can see their grid view. For example, I give 100 radius, so I give 50. You can see that our radius has been changed. If you want to change their line, so Here you can see that we select here, there is line, and you can see this line detail you can see here. If you want to off, so you can off from here. Now click on it and right click and select alignment properties. If you want to change in the properties, you can change here. If you want to edit alignment style, so you can change in the display. For example, here is the color yellow, so I want to change it. Okay, apply. You can see that our line color has been changed. If you want to their curve, so I select yellow and apply, and okay, you can see that our curve line has been changed. So that's why in this way, you can edit your alignment, you can change the color, you can edit sub element, grid view. Now come to the alignment and select create alignment from object. First you have to draw a polyline, take a polyline and enter. Now basically sometime it gives alignment by itself, so you can draw coordinates or labels by itself. So for that option you can select here create alignment from object. First make sure that first you have to draw a polyline, then you can choose create alignment from object. Here is us in the command bar, select the first line arc polyline. Okay, so I select a polyline because I took a polyline and enter. Here is again asking the command but press enter to accept alignment direction. If you want to direction in this way, so you can enter, or if you want to reverse, so I select on reverse because I need a 0 from the right side. Okay, again the same dialog open, so I give the same name. Okay, again center line the same as it is. Again here is all labels. Okay, if you want to change radius, you can change their radius as well. I want to keep the same radius, and okay, you can see that our label has been drawn. Now come to the create offset alignment and click on it. A dialog box will open. Okay, I give 1 offset from the left and right, so I select incremental offset on left, means in how many offsets you how many in how many meters you want to draw offset, so I select a 5 meters. Okay, here alignment in alignment style you can choose here offset alignment layer, and in offset there is no need all levels. Almost we keep the no labels because in label size don't need all levels. So okay, you can see that our offsets has created. Now the main thing which we want, a central line coordinates, a report especially. So come to the toolbox and click on report manager and click on the alignment. Okay, if you want to take data about curve, you can right click and execute. Save report. Yes, I want to save report or on desktop. So yes, so you can see that our curve data has been drawn. Basically, we want to incremental changing report, incremental station. On every station we want to create a coordinates, so you can click on it, right click, and here you can change their station increment. So I keep on 20 meters and click on create report. You can see that an incremental station report has been prepared. Now I want it on the server desktop 1, so you can save here. And if you want to create your civil report in the Excel file, you can select here Excel file and save and create a report. You can see that our alignment incremental station report has been prepared. So here I can see you the civil report. Here we can save a civil report. You can see in the Excel file. You can see on every 20 meter offset, on every 20 meter distance we have take a center line coordinates. So in this way you can create a civil a road alignment report coordinates. So hope you like this video. If you have any comments, you can ask in the comment bar. You can go to my YouTube channel and you can watch one by one video, then you can understand very clearly. So the next chapter is very important. That chapter is also related to alignment. So keep touch with us. Allah Hafiz.